In order to set up the sleep mode or bedtime mode on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to go to settings, scroll down and choose digital well-being and parental controls. Now over here we need to find bedtime mode, and if you go over here we need to first, well, we can enable the do not disturb mode or disable it. Then we can press next. Then we can choose when our bedtime mode should start and when it should end, and also we can choose days of the week during which the bedtime mode will be active. And then we can press done. Now we can also enable or allow the phone to use the motion light detection during the scheduled bedtime. We can also choose the time zone history and daily app usage, so we can allow this. And then we can manually also enable and disable the bedtime mode. And that's pretty much it. Of course, we can still customize it if we want to. We can adjust the bedtime routine. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!